Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the reviewWireless charger mount designed specifically for the Toyota Highlander 2022 to 2020 models. This charger is a perfect fit, molded to match the car's design flawlessly. It's a 15W fast charger, which means quicker and safer charging for your devices. And the best part? It can charge 2 phones simultaneously without any interference. Installation is a breeze too, just insert it into the car's original cigarette lighter spot, and you're good to go with a simple touch for power. The anti-slip and shock-absorbing design are great touches. Your phone stays in place, no scratches, and the air-cooled heat dissipation system ensures top-notch performance and longevity. A few things to keep in mind. Most phone cases work fine, except for those really thick ones. Oh, and proper placement matters. Make sure your device is centered and in contact with the charger for seamless charging. Overall, it's a solid addition to your Highlander. You'll get the charger mount and a user manual in the package. And if you've got any questions, their customer service is top-notch. Great buy to keep your gadgets juiced up while on the road. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.